Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, how are you? I'm your teacher Hafiz Shahab and welcome to our channel SJ Islamic School. Today we have to read our lesson number 9, part number 11. In the part 11, we have to read line 11 and 12 today. So please read Ta'awudh and Tasmiyah after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first word of lesson number 11 is Hamza Fatha A Kaf Ya Kasra Ki Aki Dal Dhamma Du Akidu. We already know about Alif that if Alif has any symbol except Mad, we have to read Hamza, not Alif. So that's why this is Hamza right now. Kaf Ya Kasra Ki is creating Ya Mada because there is Ya Sakin and the previous letter has Kasra. So it's Ya Mada. We have to stretch Ya Mada for 1 second. Dal has Dhamma. We're not allowed to stretch, we're not allowed to jerk, and we're not allowed to read it Majhul. Now the next word Ya Fatha Ya Kha Alif Fatha Kha يخاف ضمة فو يخاف. Ya has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Kha is from huruf musta'aliya. Those are 7 letters. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, and Qaf. So we have to read them always bold. There are 2 times huruf musta'aliya in today's lesson. One is this one, kha, and the second one is this, qaf right here. So, kha, alif, fatha, kha is creating alif madda because alif has no any symbol and the previous letter kha has fatha. So we have to stretch alif madda for 1 second. Fa has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. So it will be yakhafu. Now the next word Ya Fatha Ya Dal standing Fatha Da Yada Ha Dhamma Hu Yadahu. Ya has Fatha, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Dal has standing Fatha, we have to stretch it for 1 second. Ha has again Dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. So, Yadahu. Now the next one. Ya Dhamma You Qaf Alif Fatha Qa Yuqa Lam Dhamma Lu Yuqalu. Ya has Dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Qaf is from huruf musta'aliya, so that's why we have to make it bold. Qaf alif fatha qa is creating alif madda because alif has no any symbol and the previous letter has fatha, so it's alif madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Lam has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. So yuqalu. Today we are reading 2 lines in today's lesson. Ta dhamma tu, ra standing fatha ra tura, ba two fatha ban turaban. Ta has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhool. Ra has standing fatha, we have to stretch it for 1 second. And one thing more about Ra, when Ra has fatha or dhamma or standing fatha or standing dhamma or two fatha or two dhamma, we will make it bold. Otherwise, with kathra, standing kathra and two kathra, Ra will not be bold. So that's why we have to make it bold right now. Ba has two fatha means tanveen. We have to make ikhfa on tanveen. Hiding the sound in nose for 1 second is called ikhfa. And one thing more, when there are two fatha and after that there is alif, we will not read alif with two fatha. Except alif will be read with single fatha due to alif madda. Turaban. Now the next one. Ha kathra. Hi Sin, Alif, Fatha, Sa, Hisa, Ba, two Fatha, Ban, Hisaban. Ha has Kathra, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Seen Alif Fatha is creating Alif Madda because Alif has no any symbol and the previous letter has Fatha, so it's Alif Madda. We have to stretch for 1 second. Ba has two Fatha, Tanveen. We have to make Ikhfa on Tanveen, and Alif will not be read with two Fatha. Hisaban. Now the next one. Seen Dhamma Su Ba Alif Fatha Ba Suba Ta two Fatha Tan Subatan. Seen has Dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Ba Alif Fatha is creating Alif Madda, 1 second stretching. Ta has two Fatha, Tanveen making Ikhfa. Alif will not be read with two Fatha. Subatan. Now the last one. Sin, Kathra. Si, Ra, Alif, Fatha. Ra, Sira. Jim, two Fatha. Jan, Sirajan. Sin has Kathra, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Ra, Alif Fatha is creating Alif Madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Ra will be bold due to Fatha. Jim has two Fatha Tanveen. We have to make Ikhfa. And Alif will not be read with two Fatha. Sirajan. So let's read again all of it. Akidu yakhafu yadahu yuqalu turaban hisaban subatan sirajan. So this was our lesson number 9, part 11. صدق الله